how to clean up your 3D scans. Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to review this object over here, this leg. I've gotten permission from the technician working on this to use this as an example, and I'm going to show you here. As you can see, this has some colored faces over here. What this is, I've turned on this back face coloring option from here, and if I turn it on, you can see these, and this means this face have no thickness. Now there's a few ways we can fix this issue. This issue is not a big issue. If you want to 3D print, I'm able to print it because the slicer, SelfCAD slicer, knows how to take care of these small issues. And if you zoom into it, you can see this has basically these faces. It's missing just faces. That's why you see the inside, because it's missing faces. So if you just want to get rid of this color, kind of make it complete, you can just go to Fill Polygons and it will fill in the missing faces. So it's not a case of flipping normals. Like we have a tool, flip normals, and that's not the case. Flip normals will flip the entire object, and if you flip it before filling faces, you will see the opposite color just flipped everything, because the problem here wasn't flip normals, the problem here was missing a face. But you still don't need that. You see, this is hanging faces, and you actually have a lot of rough edges over here. So the question is, that the idea of this video is, how do I actually clean this up and get a really nice cut over here? So this is what I'm going to show you, and this is quite simple. It's cut with plane. I'm going to use here to cut this one. I'm simply going to offset this plane where I want to make the cut. Let's say over here. Obviously you can play with that. And now I'm going to save this plane. So I have this plane saved, and it removed the default plane. So this is my own custom plane now. You can also make your own custom plane from here and draw a plane, whatever. But now I'm going to use the add another plane, which is going to be, let's say, the back front plane. And I'm going to snap it here. I'm gonna have to readjust it because I'm going to give it an angle. So I'm going to rotate around the X, and I want to rotate it by this, kind of give it this angle, and snap it again to here. And obviously you can play with that how you want. And then you want to go in the advanced settings, and in the advanced settings you have the option I already had it on, split object. So that's what you want basically. If split object is off, you don't have the other setting. Once this is on, you get this setting, fill cuts. And fill cuts, basically it's going to do the same idea as fill polygons. It's going to fill the mesh completely, and you're going to have now 3 meshes. So basically it cuts off this side and this side. So you see we have these 2 meshes. These 2, I'm going to isolate for a second. You can see we got these 2 meshes. They're filled separately, and I'm simply going to delete them. And now I'm going to activate this, and you can see we have a very nice clean cut over here with the backface coloring is on, and this is everything perfect. So this is how you clean up a mesh in SelfCAD. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.